Hi dear friend, welcome to Indonesian and English Learning channel. In this video, I am going to talk about man versus woman. Man versus woman. A study carried out by Washington State University asked 122 men and women to take a math test and then guess how well they had done. The guinea pig, men and women, were then told their score and asked to take another test. After the second test, there was no information offered about how they had done, but they were asked to guess their results instead. It turned out that men consistently thought they had done better than they actually had. The woman's estimation, on the other hand, were right on the money. Although the sample was quite and small, researchers say that gender gaps in areas like science, engineering, and math make the results of men thinking too highly of their performance. The report also shows the potential need for positive illusions. This is the end of our news for today. Thank you very much for watching. For our support, don't forget to subscribe our channel and turn on the notification bell. See you guys in our next video. Bye.